Hi everyone, I'm Sushma and I'm an intern with Pinky Minds. So lately I've been making these small videos as to how you can battle some stress during these harsh times of COVID-19 as a student as well as an individual. Some of them are meditation, visualization or envision where you have some self-clarity in what you're doing. Then there was accountability where you have someone responsible for the tasks you're doing so that you have the sense of duty. And then there is following your passion where you find your creativity and your calling for. Today's topic that I will be talking to you guys about is not more of a habit, it's not more of a task or a trick, but rather it's a habit that you must cultivate. And this is nothing but belief. Diagrammatically, if you want to visualize it, belief could be like the centerpiece of something, and all these small habits that you have been doing on a day-to-day basis to reduce your stress and anxiety are the aspects or the sub-branches of belief. Unless you believe in something, then there is no way that it will work out in your favor. That is what the diagram can be interpreted as. Now, for example, if you take meditation, and if you start off by saying that meditation is not going to help me out in any way and it's just bogus and you're just wasting 10 minutes of your day, then surely your mind is not set to it, your body is not set to doing the task, and eventually the universe is not going to favor you, and there are no benefits that you are going to gain from meditation. Same thing goes if I want to give a small example. Say you want to paint, but you know that the end result is going to be bad. You believe that the end result is going to be very ugly or something you not anticipate. Then you do not have that urge in you to go pick up your brush and paint anything, because within you believe you cannot achieve it. But once you set your mind and you believe that I can achieve at least 70% of what the result seems to be, then you will have that inner urge to take up your brush and paint something. It may be anything small, but within you, belief is what pushes you to do something more and something extraordinary. It just acts like this backbone to all the sub aspects that you want to try in life. And right now, in these harsh times of COVID-19, most of us out there have lost a lot of hope because there are a great amount of things that you wanted to achieve and do this year, and there were a lot of things that did not go as planned or according to you or how you envisioned it. But the only factor that will lead you on, reduce the stress greatly, is by believing that eventually there is some hope and there is a way out. Unless you believe that there is something good or greater that is coming your way, then the root cause of all the stress will be this lack of belief in yourself. I just want to end this session by mentioning a quote that is, whatever you truly believe in, you will find a way to do it. And this, I hope, has made a small change in each one of your lives. And I hope you guys start practicing this and imbibing this in your daily routines and making it a habit to force yourselves to believe initially, which will later become a very voluntary act. Until then, stay safe, stay strong. Thank you.